What you are to do if you want to convert from one base to the other to another base is for you to first convert to base 10. That's the first thing. You convert the given number in the given base. You convert it from that given base to base 10. You then convert from base 10 to the required base. Hey math champs, it's Miss Becca, your favorite math tutor. So grab your pen, your jotter, and maybe a snack. Let's solve some problems together. For example, we want to convert 312 base 3 to base 4. So the first thing we will do is that we will convert 312 base 3 to base 10. We will then convert from base 10 to base 4. So let's go. To convert this to base 10 now, don't forget we'll be using power. That's the expansion format, such that this is will be raised to power 0, this will be raised to power 1, and this will be raised to power 2. So we would have 3 times 3 raised to power 2 plus 1 times 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 3 raised to power 0. So 3 times 3 squared is 9. 3 times 3 is 9, then times 3. This would give 27 plus 3 raised to power 1, that's 3. 3 times 1, 3. Then plus this is 1, 2 times 1, 2. So this would give 27 plus 3, that's 30. 30 plus 2, that would be 32 base 10. We'll then convert it from base 10 to base 4. So, and that is where we would use the long division method, so that we would have 32 and then 4. 4 would go in 32. How many times? 8, remainder 0. 4 would go in 8. How many times? 2, remainder 0. 4 would go in 2. How many times? 0, remainder 1. So we take it up. This would be 100. So therefore 312 base 3 is equal to 100 base 4. Do you need personalized help? Click the link in the description to message me directly. This is another example. 837 base 9 to base 6. We'll first convert it to base 10, so that we would have 8 times 9 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 9 raised to power 1 plus 7 times 9 raised to power 0. 9 raised to power 2 is 81. 81 times 9 would give 729, then plus 9 times 3, 27, then plus 7. So we have 729 plus 27 plus 7. That would give 763. 763 base 10. We then convert it from base 10 to base 6, so that we have 763. We'll divide by 6. 6 would go in 7 1. This would be 16. 6 would go in 16 2 times, remainder 4. 6 would go in 43 7 times, remainder 1. Excuse me. 6 would go in 12 2 times. 6 would go in 7 1 time, remainder 1. 6 would go in 21 3 times, remainder 3. 6 would go in 3 0, remainder 3. So this would give 3 3 1 1 base 6. So 837 base 9 would give 3 3 1 1 base 6. Let's solve one more. We want to convert this from base 4 to base 10. So we would have, this will be 0 1 2 3. So this will be 1 times 4 raised to power 3 plus 3 times 4 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 4 raised to power 0. So this would be 4 times 4, 16. 16 times 4, 64. Plus 4 times 4, that's 16. 16 times 3, 48. Plus 4 times 3 now, that would be 12, then plus 2. And this would give 126 base 10. So we'll convert 126 base 10 to base 12. 12 would go in 12 1. 12 will go in 6 0, remainder 6. 12 will go in 10 0, remainder 10. So we'll take it up like this. For bases that are higher than 10, we use alphabet. We use A for 10, A for 10, B for 11, C for 12, and so on. So this would give, A now is 10, so this would give A6 base 12. Because if you write 10 6, this would look like 106. So we don't write it like that. But for base 10, A is 10, A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, up to F. Now it's your turn. Convert 716 base 8 to base 9 and 2407 base 7 to base 12. And leave your answers in the comments. And if you have any question or you need clarity on anything, leave it in the comments and I will reply you. That's it for today. If you learned something new, don't keep it to yourself. Like, share, and drop your answers or thoughts in the comments. Remember, math gets easier the more you see it and say it. See you in the next video.